Calculate the length, x, from the given figure. Line construction, trigonometric identity, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Label points C, D, E, and G. Let the given angles be equal to θ for each. Join line D, E, and line D, G. This implies that angle C, E, D equals angle C, G, D, which equals to 90 degrees. This is because angle in a semicircle equals 90 degrees. From triangle CDE, line CE divided by line CD equals 40 divided by 50, which equals to cosine θ. It follows that cosine θ equals 4 divided by 5. We call it equation 1. Consider triangle CGD. Line CG divided by line CD equals x divided by 50, which equals to cosine 2 times θ. We call it equation 2. By trigonometric identity, cosine 2 times θ equals cosine square θ minus sine square θ, which equals to 2 times cosine square θ minus 1. Substitute equation 1. This implies that cosine 2 times θ equals 2 times the square of 4 divided by 5 minus 1, which equals to 7 divided by 25. Put into equation 1. This implies that x divided by 50 equals 7 divided by 25. Cross multiply. It follows that x equals the product of 7 and 50, all divided by 25, which equals to 14. Therefore, x equals to 14 units.